Hello guys, today I have a very interesting idea for you that you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face. Using the site that I will introduce to you today, you can easily and within a few minutes prepare long and short videos, shorts, for your channel or TikTok and Instagram. This site allows you to make professional videos for free. Check out, these channels are very popular, and many of them have millions of views and subscribers. If you create a football channel, you can grow quickly and achieve incredible results, because this field has a huge fan base all over the world. You might ask, why should we create a faceless channel? There are many reasons. Firstly, if you are shy or don't want your face to be seen, these types of channels are ideal for you. Second, creating faceless content allows you to focus more on your content and spend less time on video production and editing. Now that you're familiar with the idea, it's time to get down to business. Know the tools, implement your ideas, and remember that success takes time and effort. I hope these tips will help you launch your YouTube channel professionally and successfully. So let's get started. Now let's see how you can use tools like Chat GPT to create engaging and faceless content for your YouTube channel. For example, I asked Chat GPT to prepare for me 10 interesting facts about Ronaldo, Messi, and football. This tool quickly produced the best and most interesting articles for me. You can easily prepare unique and exciting content for your channel with the same method. These contents can include interesting information, match analysis, or even less heard stories from the world of football. To get the most out of ChatGPT, choose topics that you're both interested in and that you're sure your audience will respond to. Using ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality and attractive content in no time, which can attract the attention of your audience and increase the number of views and subscribers of your channel. Step-by-step with Vidio to make engaging videos. Alright guys, it's time to get down to business. If you've always wanted to create engaging and professional video content but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today we will show you how to easily create engaging videos using Vidio. This tool allows you to take your content to a higher level without the need for professional equipment or high technical knowledge. Step 1. Log in to Vidio. The first step to making professional videos is to open a browser and go to Vidio. This site is designed in such a way that even people who have no experience in video editing can easily use it. When you log in, you must create an account. Don't worry, the registration process is very easy. Just choose a name for your account and answer a few simple questions. These questions may include things like the type of content you plan to create or your previous content creation experiences. After completing these simple steps, your user account will be created and you will be ready to use all the features of the site. Second step. Creating the first video. After creating the user account, you will be directed to the main page of the site. This is where the magic happens. You can easily create long and short videos through Vidio's user-friendly dashboard. For example, I entered the text I received from ChatGPT into the site. In no time, Vidio helped me create a professional video. How to create new projects. To get started, create a new project. This project can include any type of content, from educational videos to entertainment videos. After creating the project, it is enough to enter the text content that you have already prepared, for example, the text that you received from ChatGPT, into the site. This text can be anything, from the script of a video to the description of a product. Vidio converts your text to video quickly. In the third step, I created another project, and within moments, Vidio prepared 3 short videos of 50 seconds and 40 seconds for me. This process is very simple and fast, and you can easily make different videos of different lengths. Third step, editing and improving the videos. One of the standout features of Vidio is that it allows you to edit your videos in-house. This site provides many possibilities for editing videos. This includes adding special effects, editing text, or even adding your own video and photos from your phone or computer to the video. Add effects and text. With Vidio, you can easily add various effects to your videos. These effects can make your videos more attractive and attract more attention. In addition, you can edit different texts or add new texts to your videos. For example, if you are making a video about football, you can include additional information about the players or matches in the form of text on the video. This will keep your audience more engaged and informed. Edit your videos by adding new images and videos. You can even add new images and videos to your video from your phone or computer. This allows you to enrich your videos with more content. For example, if you are making a video about football, You can add images or short clips from different matches to your video to make your content more interesting. Fourth step, using advanced audio and video capabilities. Another interesting feature of Vidio is the ability to change or remove the background of videos. This feature allows you to choose different backgrounds for your videos, or even remove the current background to focus more on the main subject of the video. You can also choose the voice narrator or change the background sounds. These features help you make your videos more professional and attractive. Set timing and add background music. You can change different parts of the video, adjust the timing, and even add background music to make your video more interesting. Background music can help enhance the emotion in the video and provide a better experience for the audience. You can use the Vidio audio library or upload your own songs. Why did I enjoy Vidio? I really enjoyed using this site because it allowed me to easily and quickly make professional-looking videos for my YouTube channel. No need to have high technical knowledge or previous experience in video editing. Anyone can produce creative and attractive content using this site. Top features of Vidio: ease of use, simple and understandable user interface that allows you to work without any problems. Advanced editing features. From adding effects to editing texts and images, you have all the features you need to produce a professional video. High speed. You can prepare your videos in no time and have them ready to publish on your YouTube channel. Unlimited creativity. With this tool, you can easily show your creativity and take your content to a higher level. Tips for content creators. As a content creator, you are always looking for tools that make your work easier and faster. Vidio is one such tool that, with its diverse and user-friendly features, helps you to produce high-quality videos without the need to have professional equipment or high technical knowledge. The final step, publish the video. When your video is complete and you are satisfied with the result, just click Done and download your video. Now your video is ready to be published on YouTube channel or any other platform you like. Just remember to describe your video well and use the right keywords to reach a larger audience. Vidio is a wonderful tool that allows you to produce attractive and professional video content with minimal time and effort. This tool is suitable for all people who want to make creative and different videos without showing their faces, and at the same time have professional editing facilities. So start now and use your creativity to create attractive and spectacular content. You can also use this wonderful tool like me and have a new experience of creating content in the digital world. In today's digital world, videos are one of the most important tools for attracting an audience and conveying a message. From commercials to online tutorials, videos play a huge role in marketing and educational strategies. But how can you make high-quality videos without having professional experience and knowledge? The answer is simple: Vidio. This online tool allows you to produce attractive and professional videos without the need for expensive equipment or specialized knowledge. Social networks and online tools have become one of the most powerful tools to earn money. These platforms not only allow us to connect with friends and family, but also provide endless opportunities to earn money online. Let's take a look at some of these opportunities. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms for creating content and making money. Okay guys, now that you've downloaded your videos from Vidio, it's time to get into CapCut and edit your videos. CapCut is a free and user-friendly video editing tool that offers many features to improve the quality of your videos. After importing the videos, you may want to remove the Vidio logo that appears in the corner of the videos. For this, you can use the zoom function of the CapCut program. By zooming in on the video, the logo will go out of the frame and will no longer be visible. To do this, click on the video and place your fingers on the screen and slowly bring them together to zoom the video. Editing videos with CapCut and uploading them to social networks can be a great way to grow your audience and monetize your digital content. With this step-by-step guide, you can easily produce engaging and professional videos and share them across multiple platforms. So get started now and use your creativity to create amazing content for your next video.